welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we are featuring Jessie's wig. Big shout out to Jessie's wig for sponsoring today's video. I have this brown highlight 13x4 pre-pluck HD lace frontal body wave wig with black roots. So I do have this in the 13x4, but it is available on a 5x6 or a 4x4. I have it in 26 inches. So what I really like about this hair is I did have to bleach the knots, but I did not have to tweeze this hairline. I plucked like very little. Lace is perfect. So yeah, that is really it. I want you guys to enjoy this video. I showed you the parting space. I do have super deep 4 inches to the back. This is a 13x4. You can part it over to the side, but right about here starts to taper off. But otherwise, this hair is bomb. All the details will be down in the description box. Shout out to you beauties for watching another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah, cause girls is players too. My heart still feels bad. Bitches get money all around the world. Bitches get money all around the world. Bitches get money all around the world. What you know about living on the top? Penthouse suites, looking down on the ops. Took her for a test drive, left them on the lot. Time is money, so I spend it on a watch. Hold on, little titty showing through the white tee. You can see the thong busting on my tight jeans. Okay, rocks on my fingers like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me. Yeah, about to catch another fight. The apple bottom make him wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, don't know, now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let him go. You can have anybody, any money, no. Cause when you're the boss, you could do what you want. Yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah, cause girls is players too. Bitches get money all around the world. Bitches get money all around the world.
doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, ain't know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch, do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me telling me what I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded no. And I believed you when they told me don't. But either way you're still invited and I can't even lie to you. Swear these days all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me.